everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at your skin. Is it tight? Is it firm? Does it look plump and youthful? Do you have a natural glow to the skin? I'm sure some of you might and some of you might not. Now personally for me, I am looking for a more tighter, a more firmer looking skin. So what I'm going to do for you, and also I did for myself, is to make a remedy that can help to tighten and firm the skin. Now this remedy, I select ingredients that are rich in vitamins and minerals that are known to help the skin to look younger and fresher and also firmer. You're looking for fresher, you're looking for brighter, radiant skin at any age, and especially guys if you're getting on in age where you're starting to see the sagginess going on the skin. So if you're interested in this video guys, watch the video to the end. We're going to share a full detailed recipe. It's going to be a process, but we're using minimal ingredient in it, so continue to watch to the end guys. Give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that each time I upload a video you would get a notification right away. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So today we're going to be using some rice. And rice is ideal for skin firming since it is loaded with starch, which can help to tighten and firm the skin. It also contains brightening properties. It helps to smooth irritation. It also is good for oil control, and it also promotes an even smoother skin tone. So what I'm going to do with the rice, we're going to be boiling the rice. So I'm going to be using about a half a cup of rice. We're adding this to a saucepan. Once the rice is in the saucepan, we are going to add about 3/4 cups of water to the rice. And once this is done guys, we are going to place the rice on the stove top. So go ahead guys, add your rice to the saucepan and then place it on the stove top. We're doing this with medium heat, very low flame. Now go ahead and wash your rice before you add it to the saucepan. Now we are going to leave this in the saucepan to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. We're not going to fully cook the rice. We're just going to kind of halfway there, kind of blanching the rice for easier blending. We are basically going to extract the rice water, and that's why we're not going to overcook the rice, but we're making it soft enough to blend. When you use rice on the skin guys, it will just fully hydrate the skin. And you can use any type of rice for this recipe, whether it's black or purple or white as we're using here. Now once the rice is cooked, we are going to strain. Go ahead, use a cheesecloth or use a strainer to strain. Now after you strain the rice guys, you can use the rest of the rice, since we're only using the water, to make a facial scrub. Just go ahead and add some oil to it and exfoliate the skin. And then you're going to put aside the water to cool. We're not using it hot. We're setting it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes and let it cool down. Now once this is done, we are ready to make our skin firming moisturizer. So now let's start with a clean bowl. And what we're going to do, we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of the rice water to the bowl like we're showing here. And once this is done, 3 tablespoons. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some oils. Now the first oil that I'm going to use is pomegranate seed oil. And pomegranate seed oil nourish the skin, boosts collagen, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and help improve elasticity and glow to the skin. Good for both your face, your neck, and you can use it all over your body. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon, which is about 3 teaspoons of the pomegranate seed oil. We're adding this to the rice, and now we are going to move on to our next oil. Now remember guys, you can use any 2 or any 3 of your favorite oil for this recipe. So here we have some aloe vera oil, and aloe vera oil is amazing for the skin. It helps to hydrate. It helps to fade scars from the skin. It helps to give the skin a natural glow. And best of all, it also helps to moisturize the skin. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera oil. My next oil, guys, is going to be one that I so love using on my skin since it makes a perfect anti-aging oil. It is apricot oil. It helps to soften the skin. It boosts radiance. It locks moisture in the skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines since it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. An amazing oil to use regardless of your skin type. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the apricot oil. We're adding this to the bowl along with the rest of the oils. Now we couldn't complete this moisturizer without adding aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel hydrates, smooth the skin, and help clear acne for smoother skin, but also help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. And when you mix all these oils with the aloe vera gel and the rice water, guys, it's gonna create a very powerful anti-aging facial moisturizer, one that is rich in vitamins and minerals that can help to transform the skin. 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. We're adding this to the mixture. And now, guys, you are at the stage where you can choose to just whisk this, or you can choose to blend. Blend for a more creamier consistency, whisk for a more gel-like consistency. I like a creamier consistency, so I'm going to pour this back in the blender and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend. We're blending for about a minute or less. And now, guys, this is done. Let's remove it. And now we are going to pour. And take a look at this, guys. Nice and creamy. The perfect skin firming, skin tightening DIY moisturizer. Now this, guys, you can store this in your refrigerator, and a little goes a long way. It's gonna get a little thicker once it gets really cool, and all you need from this is about 1 to 2 drops on the skin. Don't forget to take it down on the neck and décolleté. This is good to use preferably at night, where you can let it sit for on the skin overnight. And guess what, guys, you wake up in the morning with amazing looking skin. Not only is it gonna be tighter and firmer, but it's also going to be clearer and brighter. A rich moisturizer, guys, that anyone can whip up in the comfort of their kitchen. And all you need is rice, oils, and aloe vera. Now, if you're thinking about fresh aloe vera for this recipe, I suggest when you are steaming the rice, run about a few seconds before you remove it from the stovetop. Go ahead and add your aloe vera to that and just keep stirring it in, and then you set it aside to cool, since once you use a fresh aloe vera gel, you're going to be blending again. Go ahead and try this recipe. What are your thoughts on this recipe, and what other ingredients would you add to this to make it your own?